Welcome to Pulkit Finance and Business, where we delve into the intricate world of commerce through the lens of real-world case studies. Today, we stand on the shoulders of giants, analyzing the triumphs and tribulations of businesses that have weathered the storms of uncertainty. Imagine a startup's journey from a fledgling idea to a market disruptor, or a century-old company adapting to the digital age. These stories aren't just narratives, they're blueprints for success and cautionary tales that remind us of the razor-thin line between prosperity and peril. In our upcoming video, Business Case Studies, analyze real-world business scenarios and discuss their lessons. We'll dissect these scenarios with a surgeon's precision. We'll extract valuable lessons that can illuminate the path for entrepreneurs and business enthusiasts alike. Join us as we explore how strategic decisions can lead to exponential growth or unforeseen downfall. Witness how companies navigate through economic upheavals, technological advancements, and competitive landscapes. Each case study is a piece of the larger puzzle of the business world, and together, they form a mosaic of wisdom. So, if you're eager to unlock the secrets behind successful business strategies and avoid the pitfalls that have ensnared many, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find value in our discussions, and subscribe to Pulkit Finance and Business for more insightful content that can guide you on your journey to business acumen. Thank you for joining us, and let's embark on this journey of learning and discovery together.